Welcome back to Early Riser Workshop. What you see behind me is a blank canvas that I'll be painting on for the new Early Riser Workshop. Moving into this two-car garage, the previous owner had built and installed these sports cubbies, but I'm not going to use them for that. Oh no, I'll be using it as my miter station. I have special plans for this cubby right here. I'll put a bench from this full section at that end to this end, and the saw will sit right here with dust collection behind it. So as I plan and develop that, I'll share that with you. My first video of introduction told you about some of the infrastructure that I needed to accomplish, one of which was to remove this overhead storage. Once that was gone, I then took the fluorescent lighting out and put in high density LED lighting, and that really helped with my lighting in here. Having some of the infrastructure accomplished, I'm ready to make some sawdust. My first project is to convert a bank of drawers that I had in the cubby in the old workshop into a mobile workbench in this shop. There's a backstory to this group of cabinets. I've had these drawers in my workshop since the mid-80s. They came from Montgomery Ward's as a built-up MDF little stacking cube, and I've had 4 of them forever. Well, this iteration I built to put underneath a corner workbench in the cubby in the old workshop. In this workshop, I'm going to install a solid wood workbench top and a front vise on one end and dog holes so I can use it as a typical workbench. So this will be my first project. As far as flow goes, I've got the typical bench that you've seen me work on here. I'll have the mobile bench here. And then behind me is my drill press. This corner I think is pretty well set. What I have in mind is about 20 inches for the miter saw station to run this way, and as you come with me over this side, I'll have my mobile tools along this wall here. So that's about it for configuration and workflow for the time being. We'll see how this develops as I start building these projects. So until next time, be an early riser. Get up, get going, have fun, and stay safe.